Okay, so we will see that, right? We will see that. Okay, so we will see that, right, in the is a relation, how we will configure what, how we will configure to bin in what Java application configuration, right? We already seen those annotation, right? These two annotation, we will use these two annotation only, right? So now let's write the what Java configuration classes, right? So let's write the Java configuration. For that also, what we will do now, what we will do now, we will overriding. What is the meaning of overriding? This is also core Java annotation, guys. Okay, now for that super class annotation is there, right? Super class annotation is there. See, already this toString method is there where java.lang.object. So because of that, here also, if you want to take that class over, if you want to override in your child class, right? For that we are taking what overriding. If you means if you make the difference between what super class method name and the child class method name, here it will show that what error. Because of that we are using what super class method name, and whatever you are writing the child class method name, both must be same. Because of that we are using what, because of that we are using what at the rate override. If you remove that, if you remove at the rate override, then this rate symbol also gone. See, the rate symbol is gone or not. So it's meaning that the super class method name and the child class method name must be same, otherwise compiler will not execute. Okay na, got the point, Sudas? Hmm. So okay, so let's understand what, how we can write the configuration file, right? So let's understand what, how we will understand what, how we will understand what. Let's understand how we will write the configuration file, right? So now right click on that what, again right click on that this project. Now come here. Now what I will take, com dot app dot config, right? Config just I'm taking, right? So now app config, I'm taking the class name as what, app config. Inside that what I'm doing that, right? Inside that we will create it, right? So to make this class as what, our IOC container will treat as what configuration, what annotation we will take at the rate configuration, right? At the rate configuration annotation. After then I said that number of bean equal to number of method, right? So first what we will do now, let's take at model class, right? So now public, what is that model mod, just I'm taking what mod. Now return, right? Now control shift O to import that model class name, right? Now finish it. So after then how we will create again model m equal to new model, right? new model new model. Inside that what I'm doing, that m dot what set id, what is that id number is 101 I'm taking, right? After then what is that m dot set name, right? Set name, just what I'm taking model name, right? Model name I'm taking what hp, just I'm taking what hp, right? hp. Now again what I'm doing, that return, I'm returning that object, return m. I'm returning from here that object. But to how our IOC container will understand this method is what bean method. So we will apply what at the rate bean annotation, right? For that we will apply what bean annotation. After then second one more dependency is there, right? Means bean is there. So how we will write, let's see that, right? So I said that number of bean equal to number of method. So for that model class, for the model class we wrote what, one for the model class we wrote already, right? We wrote already what, the bean configuration file, right? Configuration file, we wrote already what, bean configuration file. For that now product, for the product class let's write it, right? For the product class now write it public, right? Public what, product. Now public product prod. Now what it is that now it will become, right? Inside that what we will do now, we will create what? Product p equal to what? A new product object, we will create it directly, right? After then what we will do now, we will set it the data, right? P dot what? Set product id. Now 202 I'm taking, right? id, I'm taking product id 202. Now p dot what? Set product what? Product model, right? Product model. Now inside that product model what we will do now, inside that product model what we will do now, product model, product name means laptop, right? Product name is what? Laptop. After then what is that? Another one is cboss. Here the what is the easy relation is there, right? Easy relation in the product, right? What is that? In the product what is that? Product is a private model is there, right? So how we will write this now? P dot, again p dot what? Set. P dot set product what? Model. Inside that what we will pass? We will pass this method here. See, after passing that what we will do now, again we will return what? Just p object, means that object we will return it, right? So why we are passing that? In that we are passing, see, whenever we are developing using xml configuration, their ref tag, in the ref tag what we are passing, that another bean id we are passing that. So here internally this one will become what? Id, right? Internally this method name will become what? Id. Because of that we are passing that, right? So now, so to make this method as what? Bean. So what we will apply? At the rate bean annotation. At the rate bean annotation, right? At the rate bean annotation. We will apply top on what? That method as what? Bean annotation, right? So now like this we will configure if multiple classes is there in the easy relation, right? So like that, like this we will configure it, right? Like this we will configure it. Okay. So now let's test it. Okay. So shall we test it now? So let's write the test class. So how we will write the test class? New class. Now com dot rk dot what? Test. Just I'm testing this class, right? test test. Now finish. Now delete it. Now application context, right? AC equal to what is that? New what? Annotation config application context, right? Context, application context. Inside that what we will do now, we will pass this what? App configuration class, right? App configuration class, right? Oh, so what we will do now? App config, right? App config dot class, right? App config dot class. After passing this one, what we will do now? Now AC dot what? Get bean, right? Inside that get bean what we will do now? We will pass that id, right? Which id? We will go inside that, right? We have need the product, right? So what is that id? Here will become product, this one will become id, right? So now what we will do now, we will pass here, right? We will pass it here. We will pass it here. Okay, after passing that what we will do now? So come on, yeah, we will pass it here. After then what we will do now? Comma, right? After then what is that? Product class, we will take dot class, right? Dot class. After getting this one, it will return that class object only, right? It will return back what? It will return back what? That class only, right? Product class. Okay. P. Okay. After getting the product class, what we will do now? Let's print it, right? So we will see that we are getting as expected result or not in the relation of what? Is a relation, has a relation. Now run this application. My system getting slow because the previous video is converting still. Now run it. Yeah, see the result. We get it. We got it or not? Means product ID 202, product name laptop. Okay, product model. What is that? This is the relation between what is a product model. We are taking what is a 101 and HP laptop. See, like this we are developing what the relation. If the relation is there in the class between what is a relation, we are performing the operation like this. Okay, so by seeing that what, by seeing that UML diagram, right? So in the real time, the people is giving what this UML diagram. Just they will give the UML diagram, and if method description is there, they will give the method description, some line of code lines, okay, in the description section. And by seeing that, we are writing the code, okay, in the real time. Now till now, if anybody having doubt, please ask one to one. If we have 100 beans, then we need to write 100 beans like that, right? Yes. How many beans we have, that those many we have write what configuration. If we use what spring based application, right? And whenever we will develop, I will show that in the what, in the Spring Boot microservices, right? Those things also no need. Because of that, I'm giving the preparation here, right? Yes. Whenever we will write a Spring Boot application, I will remove this configuration also because of that. See how I started. First, I started explanation of what Spring Bean as XML configuration. Now we are developing using what Java. But in the thing is na, whatever annotation I'm using here, those annotation I will use in what Spring Boot also. Because of that, I'm explaining. But the code will reduce in Spring Boot. The code it will become what too much, just one or two things, means one or two line we will write it and we will see that, okay na. So okay, Prashuna, Pankaj, Manjulata, Bipin, note anybody having any doubt till now, let me know that, guys, because the energy should not be waste, okay na. Suraj, no, no doubt, okay. Shamir, Sheetal, no, Ravi, Prashuna, okay. So thank you. After a very long time, my okay. Now annotation driven, actually I said that, right? Because of that, Pankaj, why I explain first XML
Yes,
config.
Ravi.
Why, why I explain? Because if I'm not explain the XML configuration, right? Today also you can't understand about annotation, right? So because of that, I know that, yeah, what is the problem? Because when I was started at the time also, I faced those things, and I don't want give confusion to others also. Because of that, I taken this decision to first let's explain this way. After then, when I will explain annotation, the people will catch easily, right? Okay, thank you so much. Just I need your whatever doubt is there. I'm able to clearing those doubt or not. That's matter only, right? If doubt is cleared, guys, interview is nothing, right? Interview is nothing. So okay, no, Bipin, don't worry about that. I'm not giving. Just God is there, yaar. God behind, behind anything. I'm thinking about. See, today still I'm unmarried, right? Unmarried. So I have time. Why I will waste the time to roam and all those things? If I give this time to you people, maybe it will helpful for. See, now you people not understanding the time things, right? When you people will become married, right? At the time responsibility will increase, and that time money also need. Okay, na? So then our subject, our time, and everything you people will understand. Okay, na? So don't worry about that. I don't have this kind of experience, but by seeing others, right, I can understand because I have that kind of maturity, right? I seen, the people annotation is easy. Then XML, yes, Swetal, XML is annotation is too much easy. But the thing is, how we can understand, right? Understanding the things is see, I analyze the too much way, right? Then I represent front of you people the things too much easily. Okay, so yes, you are right. Okay, Pankaj, कैसे अरे 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 Pankaj, this is not right. Okay, this is not right. Okay, now Suraj Pawar. Okay, I think in XML we have to write manually, but in annotation we have to write that much only. Yeah, yeah, that much only. Okay, okay, okay. Let's okay now. Um let's go in the next level discussion, right? So now, okay, so till now we understood the things. Okay, now result we got it. Okay, so after then what is that after then? But one more things, right? One more things is there. uh, give me 1 minute, guys. Someone is calling, I think, in my door, right? Just I will come back within the 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Friends, one question is there. Actually, sorry for that. No, actually, some issue came. Actually, my manager also is staying beside my room only. Okay, so some health issue is there in his wife. Okay, so just he came now and he's saying that Ravikant need help. Okay, na. So shall I stop the session here, guys? We will complete next Saturday and spring core module. Next Saturday we will complete it. Okay. Shall I stop it or
Okay, okay.
shall I
Yes,
continue? Because
stop.
they have need also, right? Okay, na?
Ravi, if you have time, can you please see my problem? Otherwise, it's okay.
Oh, no,
Two
no,
minutes.
no, 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 no. Actually, acha, your problem, right? Your problem. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, guys. Whoever want to leave it, leave it. Okay, na? The session, I will stop it. I'm going to see her problem. Something problem is there is. So I'm going to see that. Okay. So please leave it. And the
Okay, Ravi, no problem.
next Saturday I will complete annotation driven core model. After then we will start what JDBC. After then Spring ORM, right? After then Spring MVC. This is our pattern. When I will complete Spring MVC, after then I will start to suddenly I will start what Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, this is our plan, guys.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, sorry,
Okay,
sorry for
okay, Ravi,
Thank you so
Jai,
much.
Jai.
yeah, sorry for that. Actually, they have need.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, no issue,
No
no
Uh-huh.
issue.
problem,
Thank
no
you so
problem.
No,
much.
no,
Thank you.
no, no issue, Ravi, no issue. Jai, aap Jai.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. And whatever explanation is there today's session, that is the good only, right?
Yes, Ravi, very good, very good.
Yes, definitely.
So please, actually, even if you people not doing the practical on what XML configuration, leave it. But today onward, practice it. Okay, na?
Okay.
Sure,
Uh,
Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah,
uh,
yeah,
uh,
yeah, yeah.
okay, Prasanna. I will give the control, right? I'm giving the control. Please share your screen, right?
Okay, okay.
1 minute. I will first.